Welcome my dear students for quick revision program of 2021 in the subject of forensic medicine and toxicology. Remember, this is quick revision program. I talk very fast because I think you can hear the recording maybe in 1.25 or 1.5 speed. I only speak in a speed of 1.25 or 1.5. Okay, no need to write the notes, you just listen. I want to give as much as information as possible. Forensic medicine, all of you know, it deals with medical aspects of law. Application of medical knowledge into the processes of law is known as forensic medicine, whereas application of knowledge of law into the practice of medicine is known as medical jurisprudence. Medical ethics deals with doctor-doctor relationship, doctor-patient relationship and doctor-state relationship. Medical etiquette deals only with doctor-doctor relationship. Okay. What is cognizable offense? Cognizable offense means a police officer can arrest a person without warrant. Non-cognizable means police cannot arrest a person without warrant. Summons case means any offense for which imprisonment is less than 2 years, minor cases. More serious cases are warrant cases where imprisonment is more than 2 years. Criminal courts in India, the Supreme Court, only one court, the apex court, the highest court in India. High courts, total number of high courts in India are 25. District highest court is Sessions Court and Assistant Session Court. Here what you have to remember is, both Supreme and High Court has got all the powers but no trial. Only appeal can be made. That's all. No trial. Sessions Court also got all the powers empowered by law. It can pass even death sentence, but death sentence should be confirmed by the High Court. Now here what you have to remember is, minimum level of court which can pass death sentence is Sessions Court. Assistant Session Court, 10 years of imprisonment. Minimum level of court which can pass death sentence is Sessions Court, not High Court. Only thing High Court should confirm, that's all. Next level is Magistrate's Court. In Magistrate Court, there are 3 levels of magistrate. Number 1, Judicial Magistrate of 2nd class, the lowest. Next is Judicial Magistrate of 1st class, JMFC. And lastly, Chief Judicial Magistrate. Chief Judicial Magistrate, CJM. So here, you just remember 137. 1 year, up to 1 year, up to 3 years, up to 7 years of imprisonment, they can pass. Fine, 5,000, 10,000 and unlimited. Unlimited. Okay. Juvenile Justice Board. Juvenile is a person whose age is less than 18 years, male or female. Male or female, age less than 18 years. If they commit an offense, trial will take place in Juvenile Justice Board, has got 3 members. Number 1, Judicial Magistrate of 1st class. Number 2, male social worker. Number 3, female social worker. Out of these 3, presence of female social worker is must. Okay, it is must.